Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock watch model DW-5600E-1VER. Let's get started. G-Shock DW-5600 is a rugged and durable digital watch known for its shock resistance. It features various functions such as alarms, a stopwatch, and water resistance. Its classic square design and reliability make it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of a robust timepiece. Other features: 12/24 format, regular timekeeping, hour, minute, second, PM, month, date, day. The case width is 42 mm, and the weight is 53 grams. The crystal is mineral, and the watch case and bracelet are made of resin. The light on this watch is very good. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.